Hello everyone, in this video we are going to investigate the logs of Squid to install AKS subnet, what the endpoints necessarily. So in the previous video what we have done is we installed Windows Server Win 2022 and we installed our VSSD agent and we installed our node agent as a Windows service. So this is a singleton Windows service. The other one is node agent, is a Windows service that is necessary to install every Windows server. And what we have is our management cluster. So, and one more additional service is our Squid proxy. So we redirect all traffic to this parts to Squid proxy, and after that our Squid proxy connected to the internet. So by this way we can get logs, analyze the data, which endpoints is necessary for AKS hybrid. So let's parse the logs. So basically in the previous installation, the installation path was v directory. So let's go to cd. I have WSL2 mnt v squid, and then that is var. Next folder is var, and after that we need to put log. Let's execute ls, and again we need to change our current context to Squid. Let's execute ls. So we have access logs. Let's execute get access.log. So we need to parse this file. To parse this file, actually we need to execute cat access log and then cut -d cat access log, sorry, cut -d. So we parse until here, and after that -f2 cut -d. This time is space is needed. -f4. So let's execute. We should put d. So this is the command to parse endpoints, but it is not finished. We should put sort after the pipe, so it will sort the endpoints, and after that let's put the unique URLs that is necessary. So, and after that let's redirect to logs to another access log unique.log. Perfect. So we redirect to output to access log unique log, and let's open file. Okay, so the first URL is AKS azurefd.net. So to check these URLs, let's make it bigger. Perfect. So first link is in here, and port number 4423. And actually this is for coming from ARC enabled Kubernetes. So GPL, let's do that one. It is coming from ARC. So STS, let's check this one. It is coming from, again, ARC. management.azure.com. Let's check the URL. So as you can see, it's in here, and it's used in set AKS ACI registration. Correct. MCR is our container registry. endpoint. Let's check that, MCR, and wildcard mcr.microsoft. And this is very important. I'm going to explain why we are using some wildcards in here. So basically, blob core windows.net has wildcard in the firewall rules. We should enable wildcard. The reason is that at the blobs level, for the blob search to download our images, I mean the ISO images and other stuffs, we need to have blob search, and the blob search URLs, I mean, there are tons of blob search, and whenever you connect to the blob search, it can connect to, I mean, WUS2 replica 102, it can connect to 103, 105, 103.2, it continues, the list continues like that, so we can provide the list. So basically, if there is a wildcard character in the beginning of the URLs, that's the reason, because for load balancing, because resiliency, because of sustainability and kind of stuff, we need to have this wildcard URLs. There's no one URL for this one. That's the reason. So whenever you connect to the blob search, you will fall back to, I mean, one of the blob search. Basically, it's a load balancing issue. For example, the other one is, let's check, for example, notification arc. So this is for arc. This is for arc. And check again. Another one. Flop, flop. So, but the question is, this time, one was West US, the other one is Central US, because Central US is needed because, again, it is for load balancing encryption. So if you connect to the West US, sometimes it's connected to the Central US. It is just pure make the blob search resilient, make the blob search, your download experience more convenient. So that's why we have the wildcard URLs for installing AKS Arbit. So thank you so much.